Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to have a look at some of the top automatic transmission shifting problems. Automatic transmissions offer several benefits to car owners over manual transmissions. Automatic transmissions are generally easier to operate, especially in heavy traffic, as they eliminate the need for constant gear shifting. That is a big advantage. They provide smoother acceleration and deceleration as the transmission shifts gears automatically based on engine speed and engine load. Many modern automatics are designed to optimize fuel efficiency as well. With no clutch pedal to operate, drivers can focus more on the road, reducing fatigue. Advanced automatic systems can also shift gears faster than a human, improving acceleration and performance in certain driving conditions. Some automatic transmissions feature adaptive learning systems that adjust shifting pattern based on the driving habits. In many markets, vehicles with automatic transmissions can have higher resale value due to their popularity. So, automatic transmissions provide convenience and comfort, making them a popular choice among many drivers. Automatic transmissions have come a long way in terms of technology and performance. However, they can still encounter range of shift-related problems. Let's have a look at some of the top automatic transmission shifting issues you might face. 1. Slipping gears. This happens when the transmission unexpectedly changes gears or lose power. You might notice the engine reviving higher without an increase in speed, and this can be caused by low fluid level or worn out transmission components. So, slipping gears is one of the most common shifting related problems that automatic transmissions face. Always make sure that you are checking the fluid level inside the transmission. It has to be up to the level, and always make sure that the transmission is in good shape. Otherwise, slipping gears might happen. Second on our list is delay in engagement. If your car hesitates before moving after shifting from park to drive, it is a sign of trouble. This could be caused by low fluid level, it could be caused by faulty transmission pump, or it could be caused by worn clutches inside the automatic transmission. So, delayed engagement is another problem associated with automatic transmission shifting. Third on our list is rough shifting. If your car jerks or clanks when you change gears, you are experiencing rough shifting. This could result from low transmission fluid, it could result from dirty fluid, or issues with the transmission control module. Rough shifting is another problem related to automatic transmission. 4. Stuck in gear. Being stuck in gear is very frustrating. If your transmission refuses to shift into a higher gear, it could be due to a malfunctioning governor, or it could be due to a problem with the valve body. So if you happen to run on same gear for long, that could be very frustrating. 5. Overheating transmission. Overheating is another serious issue. If you see a warning light indicating that there is a problem with your transmission, stop driving immediately, because overheating can damage internal components of the automatic transmission and is often caused by low fluid levels, or it could be caused by failing transmission fluid cooler. So if you notice that there is an indication of overheating transmission, usually indicated by a warning light, always pull over and have the issue addressed before driving again. 6. Fluid leak. Fluid leaks are common problems, especially if you happen to notice there is a spot of reddish brown fluid under your car. It is likely that is a transmission fluid. Check for damaged seals, damaged gasket, or broken lines or cracked lines. These are some of the things that can lead to fluid leakage. 7 is warning light. Dashboard warning lights are there for a reason. If the transmission warning lights comes on, don't ignore it. This could indicate range of issues from low fluid level to major malfunction. So don't drive your automatic transmission with the warning light turned on. Otherwise, it could lead to very expensive, costly repair down the line. So have the issue addressed before it progresses to major malfunction. Unusual noise is number 8. Unusual noises are red flag. If you happen to notice grinding noise, for example, whining noise, or clanking sound, that can indicate internal damage. or it can indicate a failing torque converter. So pay attention to these warning signs. If you happen to notice that there is increased noise coming from the transmission, if you happen to notice that there is some disturbing, unusual noise associated with your automatic transmission, have it addressed immediately. Number 9 is inconsistent shifting. Inconsistent shifting is when your car shifts gears at odd times. This can be due to a faulty transmission control module, or it could be due to issue with the throttle position sensor. Sometimes happen with the problem with the shift valve body of the automatic transmission. So inconsistent shifting is another shifting related problem. Transmission fluid contamination is another issue associated with automatic transmissions. Contaminated fluids can lead to significant problems. If your fluid is dark or if it has burnt smell, then it's time to change it. Neglecting this can cause major damage. Don't listen to that very crazy idea of transmission fluid is for lifetime. Don't. Always have it checked and have it replaced. Especially consult service manual of your vehicle in order to know what time is right for replacing. Otherwise, when you check the fluid level, make sure to smell it or make sure to have a look at the texture of the fluid. If it is dark, if it has started to smell, that is the right time for replacing transmission fluid. So don't neglect and don't ignore this issue. And the other one, number 11, is failure to shift. Failure to shift is the worst case scenario. If your car won't shift into any gear, it could be due to a failed transmission pump or several internal damage. So immediate attention is required this time. So you might need to tow your vehicle to a service area and have it addressed as soon as possible. Failure to shift is a very, very worst scenario. And finally, overdrive issues. Overdrive issues can cause poor fuel efficiency and engine strain. If your overdrive isn't engaging or if it is not disengaging properly, it might be a problem with the control module, or it could be a problem associated with one of the shift solenoids. So these are some of the top issues that automatic transmissions face related to shifting. Automatic transmission problems can be complex, but being aware of the signs can save you time and money. Regular maintenance is very key to preventing these issues. If you experience any of these problems, always make sure that you have it addressed as soon as possible. Consult a professional mechanic right away. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you in this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive tips and insights. We'll see you in another video. Until then, stay safe.